Oh, wow. Okay. Yep, there we go. There we go. Sorry, guys. Connect. Let's connect. Test, test. All right, gang. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Connect. Got a coffee. Tastes like dog shit because I was in a rush, but all good. Big Keefy, what up? What up? What up? Hope you guys are connecting. Connect. Oh, shoot. Friday. Let's do the thing that we do on a Friday. Gold had a great trade 5 minutes ago. Big Derek. Let's have a look at gold. Let's have a look. Let me just do this thing real quick here. But yeah, Friday. So let's finish the week off nice over here. Doesn't mean win or lose. It just means show up and execute the system and let the probabilities play out. Just be a professional, that's all. Winning and losing is out of our control. All we can do is connect. Fuck, it's hot. All right. Lock in chat, lock in chat. Let me just do this thing. Sorry guys, one sec. Damn, I was running behind too much. She'll never like me. All right. I'll do a quick bit of analysis here in a sec. Okay, dope. Let's lock in, gang. I got a couple of these 100K Elite Trader accounts. This is it here on Trading View. So that'll be interesting. Stack some accounts over here. What up, my Zesty G? What up, Mad Lord? Connect, bro. Well, thank you for the gift over there, Faye. So we do a bit of analysis here. It's quite interesting. You guys, TikTok. I can bring this chart up for a little bit, but I have to get rid of it soon. But a little bit of analysis here. Four hours closed. This 4 hours still open. Just kind of moved down and pretty aggressively, right? Funded trophies, what's that? Oh, I'm assuming that's your page. Yeah, send me a message, I'll remember, check that out. I think the analysis for now is sells below here, buys above here, breakout, looking for a breakout either way. I'd rather a breakout to the upside. I'd rather a breakout above this level. If I'm being honest. Yeah, if we're going to get honest with it, B or S. Wow, that's like the most lazy way of saying it. Like people are just constantly saying buy or sell, and then you just abbreviate it to B or S. Gold is tough the last few weeks, bro. I'm with you, man. Gold is very tough the last week or two. Very tough. There's been a bit of like adjustments that you might have needed to take and stuff like that. Nah, no trades for me today just yet. Yeah, this is an elite count. I got 200k elite counts. You know, I like the TradeOvate layout is so ugly that I'm doing it through top trading view here, and I'm just gonna have to set the accounts, like the trades manually on each. Like switch from this one to this one manually and just set the trades. Because I can't, like, I had a bit of a play around on TradeOvate and it's just so ugly. And even like executing the trades, like I figured out how to do it with the copy trader, but when I closed them, it didn't both close. It was just like, eh. Yep, that's right, Derek. Remember, yep, Derek, you were the one that was talking about yesterday. That's right, yep. Can I write some numbers here or what? What you mean? What up, Saya? Oh, clean parried. Awesome, bro. The comeback from yesterday. Nice, brother. Sweet funded. Everyone hit the like button. Help Dan's mum eat as well. Yeah, legit, you guys. 16 likes. Oh my god, I've got 16 likes even though 262 people have been here. Mummy. Okay, so this candle here closed in 3 minutes. These ranges are big, aren't they? Wow, this one candle's 100 and... Isn't it like crazy how the game's just changed in the last week? Like, since when has it just been in the normal that a 15-minute candle moves over 100 pips? I'm just like, oh yeah, seems about right. Oh, look at this elite trade. I'm doing 225s at the moment. Beautiful. Bro, it's Friday. I'm having major correction. Really? Doesn't this is the same setup you posted on Reels yesterday? No. A good observation though. Wow. I always underestimate what you guys take in. If this closed like here maybe, and I had a bit more of a wick and then the next one wicked up, yeah, yep. But because it's moved down so far now, it's gone too far for that to be a type 2 now. What's your opinion on ICT? I see people hating on it. I think people hate on the dude. I would never hate on the way that anyone ever trades. But the guy has been a proven like scammer, but the system seems to work for some people. I probably wouldn't recommend it, but who am I to judge? Your system works very good on the 1 minute. I don't think it would. But if you've found success, then maybe you're looking at it in a different way than I am, and that's good for you, brother. Good shit. The only reason I say I don't think it would is because a big part of the system is like candle closures, and the higher the time frame of a candle closure, the increased probability that the market's going to like do what you think it might do. Where when you get these types of setups and candle closures on lower time frames like the 1 minute, it doesn't really mean much. He thinks you talk a lot of sense. Yeah, fair enough, Damien. I thought London was 6. No, it's moved back an hour. The game's changed. It's funny when I said the first day, but not anymore. Wait, what did you say, Perry? Oh, I see what you're saying. The game's changed, my dude. Oh, your boyfriend. Okay, I see. Oh, that's awesome. Good stuff. Tell him I said thanks for the love. How many pips do you usually take on a winning profits? Like, I'll take 85% off at around 15 pips. It depends on the range and things like that. Like other times you can let it run a lot. Sometimes even 10 pips. Other times 30. But on an average, I would say your safest bet is to take off 85% at 15 pips, move stops to break even, and let the rest run. That's just a good baseline level. Oh, big graph. My favorite, can I buy or sell, sir? Cat. Nice, Raymond. Do you copy trade? Yes. I tried to sign up for your course, but I think there is a waitlist. Yep, if you join the waitlist, you'll get a email over the next day or two. And we're going to be launching in probably 2 weeks, I believe. Maybe even less. Hey, any of you guys that have put your name down on the wait list, make sure you check your spam box. Because I've sent out an email to a lot of guys. So make sure you check your spam. Because it could have gone straight to your spam folder. Yeah, legit. How do you know when the time changes? You kind of don't. You just have to listen out. It's very rare, but it's annoying when it happens. Yeah, that's what I was saying before. Guerrilla is like we just got to adapt to this new fucking shit, which is gigantic candles. Look at that bit of 1 hour support. What up, Casper? How to join your everything? What? You're my everything. Okay, so this is officially London Open. What up, Zest Lord? Nice, Pez. Make sure, tell him to check his spam. You know, there's ways around making sure emails don't get to spam, but it's I can't be bothered. I just did it straight for my shits. Got the email, Dan. Thanks. Beautiful. Hey, Paul, question. Did that go to your normal email or was it in your spam? Hey, I'm 20 and thinking of trading and trying harder to... How many years do you think to be profitable? Well, I like that you actually start sentence is what I like where you said that. Because most people don't understand that that's how it will be like a yearly thing. But everyone's different, man. I would say if you give yourself 2 years before you see any profits, like any real money consistently, that's a good way to look at it. How long did it take you to pass your funding challenge? It depends which one. Sometimes I go really aggressive, other times not so much. Sometimes 1 day, sometimes 3, sometimes a month. Oh, you got the email? Nice. Straight to the inbox. Beautiful. Awesome. Can I join if I'm a beginner? Yep. Which time frame? You guys on TikTok, if you see here, like my live full screens on YouTube, I'm gonna have to close this down and take the chart away. I can bring it back every now and then, but it's too risky. Very risky. What are you trading? I'm trading gold. We love you, brother. You're a blessing. Raymond, you're a blessing. I'm just a kid from the block. Any strategy you would recommend over ICT for gold? It's not really how it works. It's like strategy isn't based on a pair. It's just a trading strategy in general. I can't find the email. If it's not in your main thing or in your spam folder, it means that I haven't sent it to you just yet, and you'll get it very soon. Like within either today or tomorrow. Taking me 1.5 years to get profitable with Bitcoin. Bro, that's the worst sentence I've ever heard. I'm sorry. That doesn't make sense. It's like asking what's kind of like in a black hole. What up, Layla? Yes, that's right. Let's look at the size of 5-minute candle. Okay. Yeah, wow. Let's measure that 5-minute candle. That's a 130 pip 5-minute candle. Whoa. That's a 100. That's a 100 pip 5-minute candle. Your discipline content helped me pass my first combine. Ah, amazing, brother. Beautiful. Congrats. Put Biden back in office. Yeah, because like a beginner, like you kind of think sometimes like high volume like this is awesome. Like I could get more bigger trades. But the reality is it's like our job is just to kind of like scalp the market, get our little bit of high probability trades, not participate in these huge volatile impulsive moves. Plans for the weekend, Dan? Just make a lot of content and go down the coast. We'll go watch the UFC with Aaron Trades. Me and Aaron are going to watch the UFC. Ultimate Fighting Championship. We're going to watch the... So who you guys got? Unfortunately, I'm an Australian. I think Volk's done. I think Volk's going to lose. I think Paddy's going to win. I don't know about this one. Bro, Bryce Mitchell, please win, Bryce. We need you to win, Bryce. Bro, we need Bryce to win. Trust me, I know people don't like him because the mainstream media try to paint a narrative, but he is him, bro. We need Bryce to win. I'm hoping Reyes wins this one. Oh, I like Ige. Damn, I like these. This will be a hectic fight. Ige is really good, and so is this other dude. I don't know much of him, but I know he's really good. What? Is that a fucking AI? Is that AI? It's so AI that it's like crashing my computer. I'm not being a dick, but that's on the official. Damn, how does she see the punches coming? Too far? Anyway, so I guess she's winning. Oh, that Hooper dude's in this one as well. Yeah, there you go. Oh, fuck. Can I ask you one question? I have no idea. I have no clue. When you click the candle and trading view, it appears a little circle. Yeah, I don't know what that is either. Nah, London session is now. Yeah, my heart says Volk, brain says yeah. I like Aaron, respect him a lot. Yeah, Aaron's cool. Yeah, you got to back Volk regardless, but just feels like it's going to make the most sense that he won't win, unfortunately. Too far. Fuck. What trade copy to use? It's just one that's like, well, I'm not using one anymore with these guys. I'm just like gonna have to enter a trade and then switch to the other one and enter it again as well, which is annoying. Just buy. Wow. Yeah, bro. Just buy. I was thinking about it today. You know, a lot of the times when we give back money unnecessarily or revenge trade or overtrade, it's from the perspective that you have on trading, which is, I'm here because I want to make money and all the shit, and I want to do the long-term vision of making money, essentially. Well, you should look at this like treasure. This is your treasure. You have to kind of like protect your treasure. And it's in your best interest to stick to a strict set of rules, because that's going to increase the probability of you protecting your treasure. It's really what it's like. Capital preservation is such an important component. Capital preso. I hope you're right, Perry. I hope you're right. That's it, Lee. If that's the case, I'm trusting you. Trust me with what? If that's the case, Lee, yeah, man, you're gonna feel way better if you can finish your day like just not take another trade. You've already had a great week. How long did it take you past your first fund account? Ages. I took it really slow and, you know, ages. Dan did not like the bear flag? No, I don't even know anything about that. I like that you use that many question marks though. I like that we connect. What are you looking for? Buys or sells? I have no bias. I'm just kind of marking out a couple key areas and just waiting to see how price reacts around them. Like, it's pretty random right now, the way that it's kind of moving up and down with like new all-time incoming. Wasn't that crazy? So yesterday we were down, when we were in the London, we were participating down here. Then CPI hit around here. And then she just fucking kept going. Wow. Wowzo. Yeah, I like this with this, so you can kind of drag it and you can see where, before you enter a trade, you can kind of see like your risk and how much you'll make and lose, which is pretty cool. Billions and billions is how much. Have you watched Raj's CPR session last night, bro? Oh, no, I didn't. What did he do? Did he use a buy stop, sell stop? Did he use a buy and sell? What do you think of Euro USD for the day? Let's have a real quick sticky. What's gold? What's Bitcoin doing? Wow, still just chilling. What's copper doing? Oh wow, copper's coming up to a pretty key area. Look at the clean range up here to the left on copper. Euro USD, like there's clearly a key level up here. I'll just wait for that to be tapped into and see what kind of response it has. You got a wick fill over here to the left hand side. Or potential wick fill, I should say. My bros. Bros before. Charts before. What up, Zesty Delt? What's the range this level? Bruh, like 50 pips. There's that closure. Just a bit of analysis here. People commented saying he's gambling and he shows how gullible really is and lost 25k. Well, he is technically doing that when he trades like that, but he even says that. He says that he knows he's not trading, like he's not trying to be a professional trader, he's having fun. I don't know, I'm working on developing a time machine to be the only person who knows where Bitcoin is going. Interested in, bro, that's literally the type of offers I get in the chats. Whenever I come across your lives, you never speak. Bro, I'm always spitting bars. I'm actually surprised that that's your opinion. Because I think that about other people's live streams. I always try to read the chat and shit. A 15-minute move to 140 pips. Wow. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. Just got to be patient over here and wait for a clean opportunity. That's really all it is. What are the main things to look for in the trade? Well, in a normal circumstance, like, you know, you want a key area, like you would consider this a key area, which was once support over here, right? And then it became a resistance here. And then we just got a candle break through that key level. And in theory, you go, well, there's the next zone. All I need is just to fucking create a bottom wick, flip, push up, and then I can ride it to that next zone. But it doesn't look like it, but these ranges are so big that if I were to do that, my stop loss would be 60 pips. That's not typically how I would trade. So the market conditions are very different to how I'm used to trade, or how like just normal market conditions. So I've been taking a couple of L's because I've been kind of participating in trying to adapt to this range. And I think the best thing for me after a bit of reflection is just to be a bit extra patient. Just wait for those A+ setups. Don't try to force a trade because it's what it would be in theory. Because even look at this, like that candle just opened up. And like, when in the markets have you seen a candle drop nearly 100 pips in fucking 2 minutes, right? Are you Roger Banks' student? No. But I learned from Roger Banks a long time ago. Billions and billions of years ago. That's why I use a 5 minute now, bro. Exactly, Daniel. The stop loss has been messing me up when you cut too early because it's been coming bigger than you. Yeah, it's just like it seems very similar to what our normal trades would be, but just the ranges are much bigger, which in theory means that it's not typical. But there's still opportunity. There's definitely still opportunity. Just gonna have to be a little bit more patient. Wait for those ideal bangers. Type 2 at 218. At 218. Let's look at 218. 218. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see any type 2s right quick. Like this is breaking back in the zone. The 1 hour is still open? Yeah, the 1 hour is still open. One hour closes in a minute 10. Yeah, for sure, Perry. But yeah, I've recognized it within myself a little bit lately where I'm like, oh, I'm getting a little bit loosey-goosey. Oh, look at this nice breakout here. Fuck. Beautiful. When was this? Wow. God damn it, that's orgasmic. Even created a bit of support here and just kept pushing. Would have entered maybe there again. Yeah, see, like setups are still here. Like this is a typical setup where the stop loss would be about 20 pips. Back in the range. There's a normal scenario right there. When was that? Hot damn. Do you think I can learn from Raja? I'm sure you can learn from a lot of places, brother. Sister, Florent? Check the 5 minute? No, I don't even look at the 5 minute. It really doesn't do anything for me. If anything, I try to not look at it because I don't want it to confuse my brain at all. You don't use any tools? No. Simple price action. Yeah, no Fibonacci's, no nothings. I remember when I first got into trading, I was like, oh man, Fibonacci, like it sounds so fancy. And then you look into it and it's like, yeah, it's a statistical rule of thirds and like, you know, the fucking Fibonacci ratios. And I was like, wow. And then you realize it's like, oh, you don't need to know that. Like, it's all good. But it sounds like, yeah, this is what's up. H-A-U-I? Who? How? Hail? What the fuck? How do you pronounce that? I do it on the 15-minute time frame. There are cases for the 30 as well. You know, we kind of combine them, but I'll typically only, like it'll be marked on the 15. So I believe if this can close similar to this, that I'm just going to move my fucking shits to all-time highs, my break above zone. Because if you notice, like originally we had it, we as in me, had it here and it broke above and then just rejected back down. If I had it here, you know, maybe it'll break up here, but then the next zone is right there. It's too close. And then if I wanted to break above there, the next zone is right there, which is too close. So I'm just going to fucking move it straight to all-time highs. Again, like I say it all the time, but I'd rather miss a trade than lose a trade. And I want to just make sure I'm sticking to high probability setups, even if it means I only get one trade a day. I don't care. I don't need to entertain anyone. And I know that's in my head, not anyone else is pushing that narrative, but just wait for that good. You could consider highs top of candle or top of week. When I mark the range, it's So this is a good question. When I mark my support range, remember it's a range, not a price point. So I'll put maybe like a little box there so you kind of get the point. That's this kind of whole range. And it's put not at the candle body closures and not at the top of the wicks, but kind of closer to the candle body closures. Not in the middle, like kind of closer to the candle body closures, right? Because you got to think about what is a breakout. A breakout is like price pushing up so aggressive with such momentum that it pushes and closes past a key respected area, meaning that there's a higher probability that it's going to have enough volume to then continue in that direction, right? So if I get a candle that breaks out like kind of just at the candle bodies, it's not really strong enough for me. It's not like a strong enough indication. I want to see strength, like something like that, right? Breakout like there type shit. But also I don't want too much where it's too high, because what that just happened down here, right? That happened right here where we had a level there and cool, got that breakout. But now it's too high. It's like 55 pips away. So that gets in the way of my stop loss and all sorts of shit. What up, Chloe? So yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, you're right, Perry. So I do need to make sure I'm checking these because these ranges are deceptively big. Yeah, maybe I could take a breakout there. I'll leave it here for now. Maybe I could. Like Perry said, it is a pretty big range. We'll see. We'll see. We'll judge it as it happens. Don't be sorry for asking, bro. I'm here to help. ICT cracked the code in the algorithm. ICT is the oracle of the matrix. Good rant, worth a like so your mama likes you. Yes, thank you. Mom. 39 likes. Fuck yes. 534 people have been here and 39 of them clicked like. I'm a loser. Can you guys give me a pity like? Just a little pity like. It has to be a thumbs up, not a like. But I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I'll bring up the draw tool. I don't know if I'll do any drawing just yet, but yeah, I'll bring it up. This candle closed in 3 minutes. This is also an hour closure. Interesting. What up, Eric? Esdog 3000. Take your like. You're amazing, Kai. Answer questions, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you for gifting me a like. Here, peasant. Take a like. I'll eat it up. Yum, 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 yum. One day we should get a couple of you cats in the live stream. I can put a little window via Zoom here. Have a few of the cats from the... Yeah, maybe we'll do that next week, you guys. A few of you guys, if you want to join the live stream, and I can have a little window here. Like a box here for a couple of the guys in the Discord. All right. This is you guys. That'd be pretty cool, actually. Yeah, look, I reckon we should do that. See, everyone's got nice smiles on their faces. Let me know if any of you guys are keen for that. The only thing is we have to, like, not to be a fucking evil dictator, but you can't talk much. Because it's like too many shits going on at once. Pick me. Put me. Graph. Yep, for sure. I'd like to join. Okay. Yeah, let's get a couple of cats catting out. Keen cuisine. Oh, MC over on TikTok. What up, my bro? MC and Graph, did you see Perry's freaking him in the Discord? Just woke up. Yeah, fair, brother. My smile's upside down, bro. No, never. I'm down. Okay, sick. Yeah, we'll get a few of guys in. Oh wow. Double streamer, multi-streaming. How many likes? 70. Not yet. Nah, no trades for me today at all, actually. None at all. Click wars sounds like an overtrade. Just spamming freaking. Longest 3 minutes, I swear. And means you must be in a trade. Detach, detachment. If you enter a trade, just detach. It's with the trading gods now. You did your job. What up, Black Queen? Kind of feels weird me saying that, but that's your username, so I guess I'll say it. Siva, what up, what up, what up? Yeah, I was thinking that, Perry, but I don't know. I don't really like it for that. I'd rather that like in a kind of very key area where there's like a lot of just clean range. Where, Perry, if you see like to the immediate left here, we've still got like a lot of this shit in here. I don't know. I would want to make that, you'd want to like get that type 1 with like the support clean. Big Jimmy, what up, what up, what up? How many days did you pass you funded? Which one? Some 1 day, some 3 days, some 3 weeks. Do you think gold will keep climbing? I don't know. Maybe. You should trade Asia sessions. Should be more breakouts. Yeah, we trade the Asia session sometimes in the mentorship. That's the thing. Anyone that does end up joining the mentorship, we'll probably do 2 days of Asia stream just for the mentorship guys. 2 days a week. Every time I join your live and leave, bot accounts have me. Yeah, you'll get botted up. You live every day this week? I'm live every day, every week. 2 love hearts. Name, girl. You're not that guy, pal. You're making money through the night? Beautiful. Money bags over here. Has the podcast dropped yet? No, you guys need to spam him. You guys need to spam Big Wick Energy to drop the pod. Big Wick. Graph's getting specific with it. What is liquidity? You. No, I don't know. I guess where orders typically would sit. Need at least 5 Asia strips plus VIP Sunday session. Oh yeah, that will be a thing as well. Once we get more people in the VIP, we'll be doing every Sunday together, Sunday sessions, seminars. And 2 New York streams every Saturday. No, I am keen to do as much as I can in terms of streaming and stuff for the VIP guys for sure. VJ, you keep asking that and I keep answering. It depends, bro. It can be one day I can pass it in, it can be 3 days I can pass it in, or it could be 3 weeks. Bro, that's great. I wish there was more live trading like you for free. Absolutely, man. Just ask your favorite guru to do it. A lot won't do it, man. So I'm glad that you appreciate it and you like it, because you think about all the millions of traders there are out in the world, especially the ones claiming that they're really about it, but how many actually do it live every day and just be like, hey community, look here, this is how I do it. You can learn the most just from watching a live stream, just to see the small nuances of how somebody approaches the market. Bro, there's so many fake yous watching this stream. Bro, I need to do it before MC to get you in there. I think that's the only way to mod you is to make you a mod before the stream starts. Remember this, what is liquidity, everyone on this stream? Yeah, fuck. Yeah. I didn't even know you could watch who's watching a stream, MC. That's crazy. Low key, we had the liquidity though. Yeah, I don't know. Well, if you're trading a funded account, you're not. Or if you're trading any prop firm, unless you're trading real money, then you are. But funded, like prop firm money is just simulation. It's not real. There's not real orders sitting in the market. Very rich in the heart. Who's been training? I've been getting up every morning, hella early training. My schedule is sharp as an arrow. I really enjoy your live. Ever since I started following you, you've been making good... Oh, I've been making... Ah, amazing, Black Queen. I want to enter where y'all put your stop loss. Yeah, probably not a bad idea. Dear, any advice on breakout starcher strategy? Maybe that was a typo for you. Hop on a track with me, D Banks. Let's do it, Perry. Let's do it, my dude. We're gonna blow a account now. Wow, this candle's breaking out. I swear Black Queen is doing it on purpose. Bro. What up, Ezra? A rap about blowing accounts, yeah. What's he trading? He is trading gold. He should probably put like, can you, who knows how to put a shit behind the wall? Is that the watermark? Yeah, there you go. I don't know, it kind of looks ugly though. And most people still will ask, what is this actually? So I'll remove that. Absolute Zest King. What up, Glenn? Big Glenn, the Zest Lord 3000. We're just getting zesty with it. You know we do. You know how we get zesty with it. Let me do something. Create a image of me. Let's let that cook and see what chat come up with. In Germany, the best option. It says up by your channel name, huh? Oh, you guys are buying NQ. Looks like NQ retraced quite a lot. Getting zesty with it. No. You do not like NQ. I just feel like the volume for NQ is more in the New York session. That's a session that I don't trade. Dude, when is your course out? I really want to connect. Hey, Glenn, have you received an email from me yet? Let's see if Chat GPT cooked. Oh, sure. Can you upload a photo of yourself? No, you got to figure it out. No, you have to figure it out, bro. You know what I look like, bro. You've done this before. Oh, London session is a lot more tradable for NQ. Wow, okay. Yeah, I know. You don't think we have much business coming down from here, Perry? What does a day look like again? Just like that. 4 hour on futures, Forex, I mean. Wow, look at the Forex. Forex dropped, 4 hour came all the way down and rejected. $30 kind of filled that wick, didn't really create a bottom wick. There's nothing just yet. Potentially a break below this, maybe. Maybe a break below this. Yeah, that's right, Black Queen. Why do you think there's a delay? Oh, nice, Glenn. Okay, at least you got it. Yeah, late April, Glenn, I think. Week or 2 weeks I'm aiming for sure. Oh, I was going to say, Perry. I was like, I thought you were fucking... Yeah, in this case, I don't think I'd get away with saying this has no business doing this, because fuck, the way it's been moving, it's just like, yeah. What's your Q1 profit been? Really good. Really good. Last month was my best month ever. I was having back-to-back 1K, 2K days. Passing quite a few challenges and shit like that, getting funded quite a bit. But I went really hard. Like, I've kind of taken a step back. I need to chill out a little bit and just like get back to the game plan, which is just high probability setups, clean, just 1 to 2 to 3 trades a day tops. Like just one or two really good trading, waiting for one or two really good setups a day is like, that's it. Yeah, now with tariffs staying away, yeah. Look at ChatGPT. I called it bro and then it said, all right, bro. Wow, look at this. All right, I'll make one based on the vibe I get from you. Trading, confident, sharp, maybe a bit bold. Wow. Said realistic. Bro, which indicator do you use? None. NUN. None.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions.
Which suburb is you? Which suburb is you? Brisbane. There's no such thing as best indicator. Zest indicator, yep. Zesticate. Friday, my dudes. What are you guys doing for the weekend? Who's in love? I've been thinking, wow, I haven't really been in love. I haven't been in love for a long time. I haven't been in love in a long time. I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm in love with the charts. In love with the market? Yeah, something like that. Gold is the love. Yeah. Watching the pies. Oh. F love, that's well, I don't know, for myself personally, I've been so hyper focused on making this my main bitch that you should go on maths to find love. Yeah, that worked out good. Bro, I bet I've gone longer. Trust, real. I fell out of love a year ago, never been better. Wow. No, love is amazing. Yeah, love is good if it's good and healthy and benefits both parties. Being in love is like trading with no stop. Fuck. Well, that's actually probably not a bad description because there's a level of vulnerability that you need to, you know, you need to adopt in order to be that guy, pal. I'm looking for a serious relationship, to be sincere. Wow, Olivia over here is looking for a serious relationship. Well, let's get married. I'm watching you because I'm in love, trying to get what my man's is. Hit me up. Do you have a free signal group or channel? What do I get out of it? As cliche as it sounds, I put all my focus into this shit. It's not cliche, it's real. I did as well, because my whole thing is, in order for me to feel like I can give the best of myself in a relationship, I need to make sure I'm in a financially really well spot. And so I decided to focus on this very hard. You know how people always say this type of shit, but I genuinely wouldn't be able to be in a relationship right now. All I do is work, create content, stream, and freaking breakdance. Nah, but legit, it's like, sorry, lady. I have 1 billion in the bank to find love, yeah. And then she can take it all. Oh, look at this. Working and watching, nice. and twerk. Do the gritty. Who plays Fortnite? You know the gritty? Fuck, how does the song go? Yeah, let's see what ChatGPT's up to. Oh, look, this is what ChatGPT made. This is what it thinks I look like. Don't wait for opportunity, create it in the background. That's hilarious. It knows I trade. I must be talking to it about trading a lot. That's so funny. See, I like that he's got gains. That's me for sure. I got them gains, son. These gains ain't loyal. Hi Daniel, 1 year and a few months into trade. Now recently lost a live funded working through it. Yep, you're going to lose it, brother. You're going to lose it, but you got to learn from it and come back stronger. Sleeper build. Sleeper build. Zesty AI, yeah. Yeah, I used to be a bodybuilder and stuff, so it's not that sleeperish. Now make it more zesty. That's locally on point. Yeah, but would you buy love if you're rich? Because obviously you could. I don't know what you mean by that, but I feel like I want to stream too. Do it. Do it, bro. Where'd you get your teeth on, though? They look banging. Thank you, bro. Down the Gold Coast called Teeth on Fairy. 20 at the top, 20 at the bottom. Fuck. Bro, what am I doing with my life? I don't know. Can you share with us some advice? I'm a beginner. I can share some advice, but I'd need to know a bit more specifics about what you think you're having a bit of issues with, and I can help you in a more specific manner. Thanks for the new sticker, Dan. Bro! God damn it. Anyway, let's see what AI just pulled together. I said make it more zesty. It's still cooking. Hey, what you made you draw them lines? It's my support and resistance lines, I guess would be the easiest way to describe it. What do you think about SMC? Nothing. I have no opinion, my brother. How much are the veneers? I think I paid 14 grand for 20 of them, which is relatively cheap, I think. Perry, you're undercover. You're future shredded. I can see it. Patience is challenging. What can you say, brother? Patience, and I say this all the time, people say this, I say you're going to be the most patient when you have a really clear picture of what type of strategy, like your entire strategy as a whole. And then you know all I need to do is just to wait for that in the market. That's going to make you more patient. Because you know, all I need to do is just wait for that. I can't do anything until that rocks up. But I feel you, man. Trust me. All the trading struggles that you guys have ever felt, I've been there, man. I get it. It's fucking hard. This whole game is a battle against yourself. Like once you got a system there, then it's just like, you just got to stop being a bitch about it and just be like, man, I just have to wait until I see exactly what I need to see. And then even if I see that and I take the trade and I still lose, then I just have to call it a day. Just close the computer down, journal it, and then fucking... Do you recommend using copy trades? I just don't have time to stare at the... Yeah, but you're not going to make money long term if you're copying other people's trades. Can you ask ChatGPT based on previous conversations, draw a picture of what you think my life looks like? That's not a bad idea. Bro, people don't understand how good ChatGPT is. Bro, ChatGPT is insane. Alright, let's see if it made a zestier version of me. Oh, this is the zesty version of it. Bro, look how good that looks. It's funny when AI came out, we were all like, you know, art's the last thing that it's going to take. And it was actually the first thing it took. Wow, look how zesty the mic and stuff looks. Yeah, you got it right with the zest. Millions don't sleep. Fuck, chat. AI is so good. I'm a loser. I'll never be like AI. Oh, I'll never be like you. Sad face. I'll never be like you. Oh, it's drawing something based on that. Okay. Check Discord. Another work. Check Discord. Yes! Bros. That's freaking psychotic. God damn it. Yeah, anyone's got any analysis over here, drop some analysis in the chat. Wow, look at this huge buy position over here. Very nice. Is that supposed to be you? Yeah, apparently. What's your win rate? Pretty high. Oh, Az, what up, my dude? We just went through the UFC card before. It's all demo. It's all demonstration money. Big Az in the building. Yeah, week's been all right, pretty mid. I've been finding it pretty difficult to adapt to the ranges. You know, if you have like obviously a typical area where you want to break out, it'll break out and then you'll be like, oh yeah, nice. Let me measure that. And you're like, oh sick, that's 80 pips. I'm just like, what the fuck? But my favorite trader is all in one place. What a time to be alive. What about yourself, Aaron? With this volume. Yeah, insane range, like 50 pips. Asia is not, bro, crazy. Super crazy. Super. Massively reduce your size, yep. Yep. Same. Yeah, nice. Trump City over here. I should have doubled the size, eh? Dude, you should have doubled the size. Like, imagine if you caught this move from here. Right? Why didn't you guys catch this move? You could have caught a buy right here. That's the shit I used to think when I first got into trading. I'm like, oh, like this is pretty easy. Like you just buy it there. And then you catch all this. It's just like, oh, okay. Seems pretty easy. Why do you keep subtly flexing your pecs? Do I? Do you analyze support resistance? Another guy says he uses machines to trade. Does that sound right? Yeah, I won't judge what anyone else does, but I don't know if that's a good long-term profitable system. I could be wrong. My whole thoughts is if a robot could do it, then the markets probably wouldn't be here right now because a robot would have just cracked the code and there'd be just trillionaires everywhere. How could you know to catch a trade like that? Exactly, you can't. That's like when people say, oh yeah, just catch the bottom. And it's like, how do you know it's the bottom though? You don't know it's the bottom till it's over. Right, bro? Study, bro. Study. Weren't you on maths? Yes. Yep. Study, bro.
Mention to me 5 people in your life right now that you give them a phone call and be like, yo, drop me a $250,000 wire. Because your net worth isn't calculated by the money that you have, but by the access that you have to money. When was the last time you sat down with a blank piece of paper and just like brainstormed? Ever heard that? Are you going to the gym every day? No, you're not.
No.
Are you sleeping well?
No.
No, you're not.
No.
Are you eating organic, clean food? Healthy?
You're not.
No, you're not. I see eye bags under your eyes. So what you need to, bro, look at me. Look at me.
That's so dick. That's so fucking dick to be like, are you eating? You don't know the guy and be like, I see eye bags under your eyes. You eating well? No, you're not. Hey, look at me. Hey, you're ugly, right? Look at me. Oh, it's so dick. Oh,
Nice to meet you. What do you guys do?
Full-time trading.
Full-time trading?
Yeah.
What market?
commodities?
Forex and commodities.
Lovely.
Where are my traders?
All right, there you go. Connect.
Connect.
All right, doesn't matter. Connect. Doesn't matter. Connect.
Bro,
Connect.
what are you meant to do? Connect. And then they just push two people together and they're like, hey. Connect.
Interact with each other, boys. Come on. For example, Tristan Tate pulled up a video. His favorite whiskey, Johnny Walker. What do I do at duty free? Fucking Johnny Walker. That
Bro,
night.
where's the connect? I mean, where's the study? That's so fucking good, man. So good.
For example, Tristan Tate pulled up a video.
this
His
is
favorite
it.
whiskey, Johnny Walker. What do I do at duty free? Fucking Johnny Walker. That night, sipping the fucking Johnny Walker in the war room by myself with him, chilling.
Why?
I studied, bro. I knew what he liked.
I studied, bro. Anyway. Oh, look at this nice breakout here. I studied, bro. That's a 30-minute breakout as well. Oh, it's a 1 hour breakout. Well, it's not really a 1 hour breakout, but it's a 1 hour closure. Did you need therapy after that show? No. Do you sometimes use artificial intelligence? No. No. I think I'm interested. If this can wick down and push up, I just got to figure out how to do it on this fucking new shit. I studied, bro. Whoa. Yep, that's right, Mr. Prophecy. That's 100% right. You'll never figure the market out, but you can figure you out. That's going to increase your chances. See, like, look at this shit. Like, this is still within the first minute, right? It did wick down somehow impulsively, and now we've already just kind of left. Wow. Yay! Didn't want to fucking take the trade. Didn't want to be a part of the trade anyway. Yay! Aaron is ICT. Did you really, Perry? It happened too quick for me. I was like waiting for a wick down and then one just appeared. I didn't even see it fucking flip red. Aaron is ICT. Yeah. Look at, there was no wick on, there was really no wick on Forex. There kind of was, I guess. Literally as soon as I put the buy stop, it tagged me in. Lol. Yeah, fair. I'd learned the hard way with this volume that, I don't want to take a trade within that first 1 minute, especially of the 1 hour candle. Breakout was tiny on Forex, yeah. Study, bro. No, I wasn't able to take the entry. I was interested. All I was waiting for was this wick down and then a flip, and I was going to take it. But in like a flash, a wick just appeared, and then the fucking candle appeared up here. And I still would never have taken it within the first 1 minute of a new 1 hour candle anyway. Study, bro. Like I said at the start of the stream, like I'm being extra cautious. Like I don't care if I get 1 or 0 trades a day. I'm just only waiting for the high probability setups. I'm not like taking any half-ass shits. Hey man, just watching your getting fun at hurting my trade. It changed something. Give me, oh, beautiful, awesome, bro. I was actually going to delete that video because I was like, oh, enough. But nice, that's good that you got something out of that, man. You were quick in and out? Yeah, fair. What's a 4-hour look like on FX? Wick Central. Any tips to stop overtrading? Let me ask this yet. How long have you been trading for? Like in total? When's the podcast out? Yeah, I would love to know. Oh, yeah, Aaron, I don't know if you're still there. Do you know Big Wick Energy podcast? If you're still there, Aaron, do you know these guys? Do you know these guys? I jumped on their pod last week. Really nice dudes. Really good, really cool dudes. Make sure you guys drop a sub to their channel. Yeah, I know them, bro. Guy lives down here on the Gold Coast. Yeah. We were talking about you, saying, because you're down here as well and shit, yeah.
Welcome back, team, to another episode
This is
of
where
Big
we did
Wick
it,
Energy
kinda-
Podcast.
it kinda looks like-
by
This kind of looks like a little couch just in like some bong room, but it's actually like a fucking nice ass house. Behind the camera is like a beautiful trading setup with massive screens.
One
Yeah,
and
really cool
only.
stuff.
going to the gym and that.
Yeah. And like I've, been a part of footy
That was
teams
me in the blue.
and,
I was
and we
sitting
get
there.
strong doing, playing footy and that, but
I'm that
Are you
big as
Fisher
well.
Harris?
Jordan Fisher Harris.
Nice guys. What broker should I start using? Or it depends if you want to be profitable or not. Do you know who Don Vu is? Yes. I'll give this. The couch looks comfy. Bro, so comfy. Big up him? Why? And you? Thank you. So right now this candle's just this. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to chill out here for a minute. Like if I don't, I'm completely open to not getting a trade today. I'm just gonna be waiting for an A+ setup, and until I see that, like this would have been a nice setup, but again it just kind of flashed and took off. Hey Perry, if you're still there, bro, that's 3 dubs for the day for you. I would fucking be locking myself out and finishing the Friday and going into the weekend on a dub. Good stuff, Yeti. Oh, 4 months in since trading. Oh, what did you ask before again? How to stop over trading? 4 months in. I seem to be making it. No. You've still got a lot of lessons to learn. Yep, locked out. Awesome, bro. Good man. One of the worst things that was for my psychology is when I'd never even passed a phase 1 in a challenge. I did an FTMO challenge. And you got to understand there's a component of luck in trading when you start trading, right? And people are going to be annoyed that I bring this up. No, they won't, but I'll just bring it up real quick. So when you decide to get into trading, there's a component of luck in the early days, and that luck can actually get you hooked on the trading. It can be a good thing. And what happened to me was I started an FTMO challenge and I fucking crushed it. Phase 1, I don't think I took a loss. I traded it for about 2 weeks and I was like winning every trade. Past phase 1, and I remember sitting there like, yes, I've made it. Like trading is real. This is how you do it. But there was also another part in my head thinking like, I didn't want to listen to it, but I was like, I don't know if it should be this easy. Anyway, what happened after that? This happened. Fell down, I crushed phase 2, got like $100 away from passing it, and then blew the whole thing. And guess what happened after that? I got stuck down here in the real game. Okay, motherfucker, now you're in the game. Now it's time to actually figure this out, because a lot of that was just luck. All right? And that stage down here where you actually start learning, understanding yourself, your strategy, everything, is where most people either make it or break it. So just be careful how confident you get early on, because you will eventually get humbled, and it can be enough to, like, depending on how high you are on yourself, it can be enough to fuck you up long term. Yeah, nice push here on the 30. I don't know, man. I can't trade this. It's too impulsive. Maybe you could, but it's just like, it's too just up and down. No worries yet. Got you, gorilla. Yeah, that's all right. Even if it's still the same crazy volatility, just gonna have to be just patient. You think it'll take Asia highs? I don't know about that. You know, if you were to do it statistically, the amount of times where gold breaks all-time highs, it likes to keep going. I've got my biggest and best profits at all-time highs, taking buys at all-time highs. Yeah, I don't think gold gapped up. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a like for the stream, my dudes. Get me to 100 likes and I'll kiss you on the lips, please. Get me to 100 bangers. Do you know anything about Arculus wallet? No. What's your smallest stop loss for gold? I guess the smallest I probably would be like 13 pips. If you got like a nice entry, you could maybe, you know, have your stop loss just under a wick, which might be like 12, 13 pips. Typically it's around 20, 19. Lately, I've had to increase that and just lower the actual size of the trade because the ranges are just quite large, like me. When do we enter? We don't. Don't you like volatility as a trader? I do. I do. But it's been quite extra aggressive as of recent, but it's all right. I'm in a sell right now. Wow. Yeah, maybe I could have entered as this reflipped. Maybe I could have entered as this reflipped. But it also did already make a top wick initially, like it came all the way up here and then rejected, so maybe not, I don't know. Two minutes for this closure. Never go on I could have, should have. More like never go on should have. I don't look at this and think I should have. I'm just thinking maybe I could have, but thinking about it now, like it did create a big top wick initially, like it already shot up aggressively. I don't typically like to take those type of trades if it's already created that top wick. So I'll bring this up to all-time highs and could be interested in a buy above. Is Forex a good broker? Sorry, I'm not laughing at you, but I don't know, brother. Sorry. There's an argument for that in hindsight, but still, yeah. Like, let's say, for instance, it didn't shoot up first and create that big top wick, and it flipped down, then I would 100% be in, no doubt about it. But the fact that it shot up and created like a 30 pip top wick, it's just like, eh. Yeah, money management. I want to protect my treasure. I want to protect my treasure and just wait for the really, really obvious setups. Whether you win it or not, just selling gold is death. Oh, Carolina, good to see you. Have you seen The Italian Job? Not for a long time. Hi, I'm funded and down 5% on my account. Any tips to handle this situation? Probably just blow it. There's two options. You can either prove to yourself that you have the ability to build it up and just trade sensibly and build it up slowly, or just go aggressive, get yourself up there, or just blow it and then start again fresh. Because the reality is, like, it all depends on if you're profitable yet or not as well. Like, you don't want to be stuck in drawdown for 10 years. It is good to be stuck in drawdown and learn how to get out of it. But what are you trying to prove? You know what I mean? Like, who are you trying to prove anything to? We're trying to make money, really. Is there a broker? There is a broker called Forex, is there? Okay, fair enough. Wow, they got it. They scored that name. That's an awesome name. Damn. Been trading better by a mile since being here. Oh, nice, CJ. Fuck yeah. Going out there is crazy, no risk management. What do you mean by that? Yeah, legit. No, it's all different. Like, I used to get stuck in challenge phase for so long, and then I'm like if you know how to trade, it's just like, what's the point? These companies want you to kind of be stuck in challenges for ages, where I want to make money from them. I want to use the skill that I acquired to make money from them as quick as possible. So yeah, my approach to my approach to funding is a bit different than most, and I don't advise it to newer traders. But if I blow like a challenge phase, I don't give a shit. I'm just trying to get funded so I can make my money back. Because I know, let's say I blow 5 challenge accounts to get funded. I know I'm going to make that 10x with payouts. Then you'll send gold to 310. Yeah, I'll try. Can you just keep resetting a funded challenge? Yep. Yep. You can keep doing that. She pushing. Prop firms are scams. Don't know why people don't insist. I wouldn't say they're scams. You can make good money from prop firms. I haven't taken a trade today. Should I sell all-time highs? So, oh, fuck. Yes. When you see a massive green candle, make sure you press the opposite to that. Yeah, just don't set a stop loss, eh? Do you want a rocket gift? Be my friend and I will help you. That message is so conflicting. Oh, here we go. So I made me, and then I said make it more zesty. So I made this. Apparently that's me. And then I said, oh, I'll never be like him. And then it made this somehow. Like somehow that makes it better. Very interesting. Just blew 6k USD last week. Rising Phoenix. Hopefully you learnt from that experience and you know what you did wrong, and hopefully you can improve it so you don't do it again this week. That trade that was in a sell was in negative territory. Just be you, the best way to be. Yes, that's true, Carolina. Yeah, I would never sell against, impulse move up like this, personally. You kind of, but yeah, I'm interested in a buy above here, but I would still need to see some red printed up here. I can't take a breakout just yet. Like if this breaks out here, I can't take a breakout trade because it's just moved 200 pips just green. All right, it's moved just 200 pips green. I would need to like get a tiny red candle out here or some shit. So I'll wait around, see if I can get something like that. If not, I'll just call it a day. Or just click buy and sell at the same time, full margin. What do you think about giving someone to flip for you? What do you think about giving someone to... Bro, what do you mean? Do you offer free signals? What do I get out of it? A lap dance? A kiss on the cheek? A hug? A warm freaking coffee? What do I get out of it? Right? Everyone always wants things, but they're not willing to hand over a hug. Which is interesting. Wow, look at this. We're breaking all-time highs over here. This is history in the making. This is history, guys. Oh, they flip for you and y'all share 50-50%. Hey, bro. Bro. Put it this way. People that know how to trade consistently and profitably are not getting other people to give them money because they need it in order to benefit from it. Because they already know how to do it themselves. Why would they need other people's money? Quick math. What up, trades? Meow. What goes up must go up more. I love that. For gold, that is a very accurate statement, because do you know how many times in the chat over the past year price gets to here and people say sell, sell, and I guess here they say sell, 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 sell. Gold just keeps on golden. Gold just keeps on golden. Oh wow, it's really pushing up over here. Well, Glenn, then you're going to need to put a tremendous amount of time and effort into it, just like you would anything else that's going to have a good financial return. Yeah, nice. Okay. Didn't want to catch a trade today. Yeah, that's funny, Perry. Let's do it. More zesty. Must be rolling the big bucks stand today. No, I haven't taken any trades today. I've retired my children from trading. Bro, what? What are you getting your children to work already? Like, Dad, I'm only 8. Can you follow me? No. I would have followed you, but you said I want to support you with a love heart and stuff and a cash bag. That's weird. I really need your assistance, please. What do I get? Oh, I asked chat to make me more zesty. Bro, how is that me? It looks like it's making 2 versions. We'll let the other one cook. Easy, this is gold. Mr. Worldwide. So if this were to break out here and then the next candle does this, maybe if it creates a small body with a tail at the bottom end and then impulsively kind of starts to move past this, I'll look at taking an impulse buy there. I wouldn't be too mad at that, but we'll see. This is a 30-minute breakout as well. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Alternative universe, dude. Yeah. Oh wow! Look at this. There's two zesty versions. Zest mode on. Wow. Interesting. More zesty. Much. Oh. Make it much more zesty. What time frame are you trading? Oh, look at this. It's rejecting back into the range. It's rejecting back into the range. Everyone's clicking sell, 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 sell. Purple shirt looks good. Yeah, the purple shirt one actually looked dope. Yeah, it looks so straight away somebody put sell in the chat. God damn it. You got to make sure you don't get too emotionally attached to every movement that a candle makes. Just let it breathe. Just let it breathe. Is Grok 10 times better, is it? I've donated another Galaxy view as Zest. Fuck. Oh, you know it's cooking some zest up here. It's loading. Big Shane, what up? Haven't seen you in a while, Shane. Breaking. China will raise tariffs 125% tariffs on all goods from tomorrow. Oh, we might see a gap up over the weekend. Or gap down. Doing well, brother. Doing well. Hope you're well too. Shano. Hey, any of you guys that want to learn the strategy, remember on my website, the wait list here is going to close very soon. There's a link in my bio, or you just type danielholmestrades.com into Google. Because the guys that are on the wait list, when they come into the mentorship, they're going to get benefits that other people won't. So I'm going to be taking that away soon. What do you use for your news stream? What do you mean, news stream? What up, Rose? So this 30-minute candle closes here in a minute, and so does the 15. Oh no, somebody just said that in the chat. You can just Google all that shit if you want to pay attention to it. So it's kind of breaking out. We'll see if it breaks out officially on Forex. No, it looks like it's just failed to break out. Cool. Sorry, what was the site again? No, I don't know the site. I was just saying on Google, if you want to find out about any economical fact, like things that are happening, just Google it. I wanted to join the mentor program, but I'm hoping it will work with my family dynamics. What do you mean? What do you mean, Panda? I don't need to like come over and see what you're cooking for dinner and shit. Before you join the mentorship, how many kids do you have? Time and date? Yeah, I see what you said. Wait. It depends. Yeah, what do you mean? The mentorship is essentially just like you get access to the private community, and then you get access to the trading course, and the things that we do in there is like an ongoing thing. It's not like it's just like a one-time thing. Hey Daniel, why are there multiple accounts with your name trying to follow me on TikTok? I don't know, message them, see what they say. ICT is king. Fair enough. Tell that to the Robbins Cup. Could I learn how to trade while working 12-hour night shifts? Yes. Yep. Yes, Jimmy, high volume is a key component to breakouts. Nah, Panda, it's like an ongoing thing. Like, yeah, you'll get, once you're got access, you'll have access to the whole course and everything. And then we do ongoing things from there. So it'd be interesting. Let's see what happens here with this. This next candle will be very interesting. Something that I could see that could happen is something like this. You know, where we get like some sort of fattish candle like that. And then if we were to get a breakout after that, that'd be pretty freaking juicy. Because then you could look at taking a wick fill trade. Take a buy right there. So I'll hang out a little bit more, see if we get to set up something similar to that. And if not, it is what it is. Do you use baby pips to see Forex sessions? Not anymore, but it is a good place to go to see it, yes. After Trump's tariffs, people will learn risk management, yeah. Do you think that Prince will come down? Why? Okay, so your question is, do you think price will come down? Why are you thinking like that? You need to get out of your head. Like, obviously you want price to come down, right? Get that out of your head. Just react to whatever it's doing instead of like what you want it to do. Because you'll get stuck on an idea and it will dilute your perspective. You want to have a clear mind and look at things subjectively. Take that to the zesty cup, Mikey. Need to feed them, not pay money to mentor programs. Well, you're not going to be able to feed them efficiently if you don't do something like a mentor program, so you can feed them with gold-plated food. Price grab buy side liquidity. Buy stops will go into the discount permanent array. What the fuck? Whatever happened to just like prices here, I'm going to click buy? Why does it have to be fucking buy side liquidity permanent array discount fucking sectors? Why can't we just be like, oh yeah, price here, I'm going to click buy? You need to hear that. Yeah. EMA crossover. Chat, give me the most complex, overcomplicated sentence in regards to taking a trade using all the lingo and bullshit.
All right, let's give it a shot. In anticipation of a statistically significant bullish breakout, one might consider executing a long position contingent upon confirmation of a high probability setup, inclusive of confluence across multiple timeframes and corroborated by a confluence of Fibonacci.
Okay, that was actually way better than what people say in the chat. All it was using technical terms to describe confluences of timeframes. That's actually a good thing. Where people are like, nah man, the discounted buy side liquidity sweep fucking ding dong. Yeah, that makes perfect sense to me. Right? It actually sounded good. Can you explain your potential entry in a zesty fashion? Well, let me say one thing. Can you see the screen, chat?
Yeah, I see it. The chart's showing some candlestick patterns. What's going on in the market?
I'm looking for a candle to break above that range, and then I can look at taking a buy position. Can you explain that, but in a zesty way?
All right, picture this. You've got these candlesticks dancing around a resistance line like it's a dance floor. If one of them busts a move and breaks above that range, that's your signal to join the party and jump into a buy position. Sound good?
Yes, that was perfect. That's so funny. That was actually good. So we've got a candle. We're going to dance around and freaking... Oh, that's actually funny. Jump into the party, my guys. That's actually fucking... That's the best thing chat's ever done. I don't know trading, but it looks cool. It looks cool until it takes your money and you cry. You know, you guys think that, oh, I got cheated on and I cried. Wait till the charts make you cry, then you'll know real pain. That's good, actually. Let's do it. Alhamdulillah. So this candle that's going to close here is going to be pretty important. Chat, what trading style has more aura? Breakout traders, support and resistance traders, ICT traders, supply and demand traders. Yeah, you didn't hear me. Chat, which trading style has more aura? Breakout traders, support and resistance, ICT, or supply and demand? All right, whatever, you don't want to listen. I'll just tell you the answer. It's fucking us. All right, let's be real. ICT traders don't have aura. Like, can we be honest, you guys? Even the word ICT kind of sounds zesty. ICT. Like, nah, bro, we're breakout traders. We're fucking traders, you know what I mean? We're not like, ICT. We're looking for a liquidity sweep. I'm looking to fill your gap. I'm looking to fill your fucking gap. Fair value. It's like, nah, bro, we're fucking breakouts. Loading, you'll need to study for probably another. Yeah, you got a long road ahead of you, my brother. ICT, oh, but I want to comment. That's zesty. Sound effects, yeah. Alright. Chat, can you hear me? Bro, why are you glitching? I have something really important here. Chat, can you hear me?
Yes, what's up?
Can you make a rap about ICT traders, but make them sound hella zesty?
All right, let's drop a beat. ICT traders in the zone, charting moves on their own, analyzing market flow, catching pips in the zone, precision entries, no stress, riding trends, feeling blessed. ICT style, nothing less, always aiming for success.
No! They're not aiming for success! But anyway, thank you. Oh, bro, I love your videos, learn a lot. Thank you, brother. Good to have you here, Smith. Oh, I'm looking for inverse liquidity sweep manipulation, fair value, entry on the 1 minute. That's fucking crazy. Bro, Perry, legit. Alright, Ariel. Fair, fair, fair. So if this candle does this, oh wow, look at this 1 hour candle. If this candle does this and the next one breaks out, I'm interested. If not, I don't know what to tell you. DK ICT trader, brother, what's with people doing capitals, riding in capitals? See, the green candle wicked it and it's algorithmic price delivery, not retail SNR. Oh, brother. It's just the value of gold moving up and down. Like, you don't need to think into it too much. It's literally just a thing that indicates the value of price moving up and down. It's not alive, it's not organic, it doesn't care about us. No, so Gert, good observation. The reason why I wouldn't consider this a type 2 is because on the higher time frames, it's too bullish. All right, but good observation, but on the higher time frames, it's too bullish for me. Especially the 30 minutes. See how these 30-minute bodies are just getting progressively bigger? I would want to see signs on the higher time frames of weakening as well, and I'm not getting that. So I can't look at this as a type 2. Although on the 15, like, you could be like, oh, you know, there could be an argument for it, but nah. It needs to make sense on the higher time frames. These 1 minute candles are mental, are they? Yeah, well, look at these 1 minute candles. Okay, nice. We're getting some of this pullback, which is good. I like this if we do get a... I like this if this next candle does break out. Because one, you know, we've got a good amount of... like a pretty strong support then. And two, that'll be a 1 hour breakout. Type shit. Do you look for more green or red? I don't know. How many trades do you take a day? 0, 3 would be the max. I had a dog named Max. He died. He was a good dog. What time do you stream tomorrow? The markets are closed tomorrow. Wait, are they? Yeah, the markets are closed tomorrow. I nearly... RIP, thank you. RIP, Max. We call him the insurance dog because he got hit by a car twice. And we're like, yeah, this is a bit sus now. I think he's doing insurance jobs. RIP, Max. Yeah, thanks. Riz Huz tomorrow. Yeah, we can do a bit of Riz. Yeah, we'll do a stream tomorrow, not trading related. Stacy, if you're on stream tomorrow, let's do a stream together. Let's make love via stream. Let's connect. Connect. I studied, bro. There's my wick, fill in your gap. Why there are so many accounts with your name and your picture? Because if you've ever seen The Matrix, I am Sergeant fucking Andy or whatever his name is, where I can just multiply into multiple of me. And I run these streets like that. Play Fort, Dan? Yeah, I do. I play Fort, but I can't do it as much anymore because I have to do all this other stuff that's important. Just want to love Dan as much as he loves Stacy. Yeah. Looks like you haven't seen The Matrix. Yeah, Sergeant, Agent fucking Mr. Anderson. I'd say that pretty good. Mr. Anderson. Oh, because he's an Australian. That's why I can say good. Mr. Okay, here we go. We've got a break. We've got a candle closure here. I wish that candle body was a bit fatter. If I'm being brutally honest. Are you doing giveaways? What do I get? Right? If I do a giveaway, what do I get? Do I get a pony? Right? Are you gonna frickin' knit me a shirt? I love Stacey's mum. She's really got it going on. Yeah, that's true. When will the mentorship launch? Literally in like a week or two, bro. So make sure if you guys are interested in the mentorship, you have to jump on the website if you want to join that wait list. You're most likely going to get some sort of benefit, and the benefit most likely is going to be a discount, like a lifetime discount. And then once that's gone, then you just have to pay normal price. But it shouldn't matter. Like the pricing isn't that expensive, but it's really not going to be an issue. Like at the end of the day, if you're there to learn. You're there to learn. If it costs $4 million, then you pay that. So you want a knitted shirt? Yeah, well, I'll take a knitted shirt. Why not? Does Stacy get it free? Stacy gets it free if she gives me a massage. That's the only compensation. I think that's pretty fair. How do you get your entries? Just fucking... I got you? Yes! Yes. Yeah, so... Again, price is kind of doing its thing here. You know, I kind of have to obviously stick. If this breaks its own top wick, it kind of sucks. Like, I really don't want this candle to break that top wick. If it breaks its own top wick now, I might have to jump out my window. Laugh my ass off your adjustment. Your adjustment? What do you mean? What do you mean? Can I get one too? Dual massage. Yep. Dual massage. Did that just like break its own top wick really impulsively then? You moved when she said that? That adjustment. What do you mean, that adjustment? Oh, as in like I got all nervous or something. Girls. What if I wear a mask as Stacey and massage you, bro? Fuck. It's gonna break out 1,000,000 pips, yeah. Legit. Yeah, that's true. I should do a backflip if I do a jump. Does golf always go up? Oh, it's a girl thing we see in guys. That's all. Really? That's interesting. Stacy's pretty, so obviously. Yeah, but Stacy lives literally. So if Earth's a globe, let's assume for a minute it's not flat, and I live at the top of the globe. I live in Antarctica, North Pole. She lives in Antarctica. So in order to connect, bro, I need to fucking travel. You know what I mean? I need to do all sorts of shit. I'm nervous around girls because I know they'll never love me. She'll never like me. You're in Australia? It's not far. It's far from Stacey. She lives in where they gamble and stuff. Vegas. Yeah, I'm trading funded, brother. Max does not deserve you because what do you mean he died? He died! What else do you want me to say? He can't deserve me. He's dead. Volume's been nice. Yeah, volume's been very volumey. When will the markets be normal? Only God knows. So I'm even hesitant to... If I take a trade, I'm going to do low lot size. There's still a lot of impulsive volume in the market. I'll come to you, love. All right, jump on a trade. Jump on now. Jump on a submarine. Connect, bro. Where do you live, brother? In Australia, in Brisbane. You trade like Raja Banks. He trades like me. I invented everything. Bruh, like what are you meant to do here? Yeah, it looks like it wants to move up another 47,000 pips, so that's cool. Do you have to scalp the 1 minute? No. So I'll hang out here. I'll see how this 15 closes. If it just does whatever, then it is whatever. There's no water. Yeah, full desert. Vegas. I demand you to stop there. Stop. Do you reckon that will work? Do not break this. Come for the Bitcoin conference? Oh my god, could you imagine the amount of freaking unemployed people will be there? that makes so many people angry. Dude, Bitcoin's fucking... Dude, are you buying the dip? No, I'm not buying the fucking dip. How do you know it's a dip? Dude. Fucking... It goes in cycles, dude. Okay. I guess. But yeah, that would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. For you, Stacey, not the conference. That line was damn straight. That line was straight, wasn't it? The dip was 10 years ago. Yeah. I got a penthouse. Oh my god. Have you got a yacht? I can twerk on the yacht. Stacey's a baddie. She's a baddie. She knows she's a 10. Who knows that TikTok dance? There's no water here. Oh yeah, that's right.
She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend.
My mate always does this dance, but he's a dude and he's not zesty at all. Dan, you are a 10 out of 10. Stacy is a 9 out of 11. She's from America. Since she's from America.
Creep, oh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Creep, oh, walking with that heater.
Is that good? That was my version of the gritty. When you analyze what time frame? I start at the daily. Can we talk about a funded account? No. What's it? What do you mean? What's there to talk about? Wow, look at this. So it's rejecting over here. What do you mean you're not from America, Stace? There's no way to do the gritty. Bro, there's two. We're in a simulation where those two worlds are combined, Perry. Chat, are we in a simulation? What's going on? You know what I mean? Let's be honest for a sec. I then respect the way you are willing to mentor others unconditionally. There's an unconditional love. The only cost is you have to do the gritty. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see this? Did you guys see this fucking groundbreaking piece of information? Direwolves got genetically brought back from extinction. Bro! Jurassic Park! Have we not watched fucking movies? We know how this is gonna end! Right? We know how this ends. Why are we doing this? So, yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I thought, Stacy, I thought you were in fucking... I could have swore you were in Vegas, Stacy. God damn it. Damn, hitting the gritty before GTA 6. Fuck. Can they bring back my dad who left me 24 years ago? God damn it. We just got hell real. Oh, I see what you're saying, Stacey, yeah. Can they bring back Max, my old dog? Surely they can. They probably could bring back my old dog because all they need, so the way they made the fucking direwolf is they got DNA from a wolf, current wolf, that is very closely related to the DNA of a direwolf, and then found some DNA in a fossilized direwolf, and then genetically engineered it, and that's how they made these direwolves. They're going to do the same with a mammoth. They're going to bring back a mammoth, use the DNA of an Asian elephant with DNA from a mammoth fossil and do the same thing. So surely my dog Max that died, they can fucking get that DNA. I'll find out where he's buried and do the same thing. Bring back my dog. Where my dog's at. Alhamdulillah. Bring back my dog, man. Oh, this is a 1 hour closure and a 30-minute and a 15. Okay. 30 minutes closing with like a bit of support here. Oh, big 1 hour wick that could be potentially needing to be filled. So if this comes down like this, and then the next candle can fucking wick down and break above. Oh, doesn't that look juicy, you guys? Just visually, doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look like it makes sense? Right? Wick down and fucking flip off ski. So I'm willing to wait around, even though my camera's probably going to explode any minute. Stacy, I dare you to come to the YouTube chat and just pop your head in for a second and say something in the chat, so my friends in the chat can stalk you. There's a big thing in China with cloning pets, really? Why the hell could they bring back mammoths before solving world? Oh, Stacy's gonna come over, yes. Wouldn't be the same dog though. RIP Max. And just clone Max and give it to everyone as a giveaway. Clone heaps of Maxes. Stacy can wait. What happened to Black Queen? Yeah. Apparently mammoths would be good for the ecosystem in like Antarctica and shit. You just drew a 100 pip candle. Yeah, the accuracy of those candles wasn't the best. But 100 pip candle is like a 10 pip candle these days. Look at Stacy's in the chat. Stacy's in the chat. Stacy's in the YouTube chat. Alhamdulillah. She's real. Oh, and I've got a fucking galaxy over here I've got 2 galaxies over here on TikTok. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Shane. Thank you, brother. There you go, mate. You can leave the charts now. Yes. Profits. You're a legend, Shane. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Yeah, look, Stacy is real. Yo, Stacy. Oh, wait, don't Stacy. When people do this nail emoji thing, don't listen to it. I am a hard. Look at this. Would this use nail files and shit like that? No. That's there. My sister was over, and I was just like, I've never used that on stream before. Are you waiting for the dip? I'm waiting for it to break above this meat area. Daniel, I sent you a message on TikTok. Okay. I'll have a look after this, Stace. Love a strong man. Top 10 strongest men, some would say. Top 10. You should have been here before, Stace. DJ, don't give away my fucking... Don't blow my cover here. Look at this keepy. Hi, Stacy. Yeah, you missed our chat about love earlier, Stacy, but that's all right. We can trade together now. Yeah, now that you're don't blow my cover. I trade the 5 a.m. Oh wow. Hey bro, there's a rumor going around saying you're unprofitable. Is it true? What? Where are you hanging out? Like, where are these rumors? Is there like a fucking Facebook forum? Hey, that dude's unprofitable. I don't know. I trade every day. I get funded and I get payouts. What more is there to it? There's a rumor going around like it's fucking high school. Can I message you? No. You're a legend, Daniel. Thank you, brother. Prime. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, still here, MC. Oh, Big Dan. What up, my dude? Hey, bro, there's a rumor going around that all your streams are pre-recorded. Yeah. Hey, bro, there's a rumor going around that you're unprofitable even though you trade every single day and show everything you singly do. On a Telegram chat. Wow. Hey, bro, Chance. I won't be the one to tell you anything to do with your life, But if you're in a Telegram chat with 20,000 people and they're talking about other traders in a like a gay way like that, leave the chat. What are you in a weird chat like that for? Get on the charts and actually trade and make money. All right? Caught anything? Yeah, I caught freaking chlamydia from these freaking charts, to be honest. Telegram traders aren't profitable. Yeah. Confirm Stacy is a dude. Oh no. Wait, no, she's not. Stacy, I'll marry you. I'm closer than Dan, and my real name is Daniel too. I'll take you to Vegas, not like Dan. No woman ends a sentence with snatches me. No, Stacy's real. If you stalk her properly, she's real. No, she's not AI. Hey bro, there's a rumor going around that you're secretly Charizard. Hey bro, there's a rumor going around that you are the clone direwolf that they cloned. Wait, you're Charizard? That's the rumors are saying. Yeah, fair, Keefy. I'm nearly done as well. I'm just hanging out. My camera's probably about to blow up here in a sec anyway. You know, I was being a little bit patient to see if we do get a breakout above here. I do like that we have some sort of pullback here. You know, if we can have a pullback and a fucking bounce up, that could be interesting. I don't know, Dan, but most things you see, unless you're seeing someone trade live and you get to see it and watch it live, anyone can post anything, bro. I can literally post this and just put some fucking letters next to it and like $1 billion and post it in somewhere and be like, yeah, man, cleaned up. Or it can just be a demo account and you can just say, yeah, this is how much I made. It's like, yeah. And I'm fucking Steve Owen. Stacy, rule number 1 on the trading stream is we never use terms like that is doing this. It's always, I believe that this could happen based on XYZ. You went live with Stacy, right? Yeah, if Stacy's on stream tomorrow, we'll go live together on TikTok. Why does your camera keep on dying? I don't understand. Yeah, because it slowly drains the battery when I stream. I need to get some sort of external shits. But I'll finish up stream anyway soon. Traderholics cough. Yeah. Wait, does Traderholics actually say that that's really his money? Or is he just saying it's demo? How many subs do you have, bro? I have 2 types of setups. I call it a type 1 and a type 2. Type 1 meaning a break through a key area like this. And type 2 meaning a bounce off. There's a lot of variables on both of them, but that's the basic premise. Yes, no real money. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, fair enough. Sorry, I'm a crypto teacher. See, now you're over futures. This is, I've got so many things to teach you, Stacy. So many lessons, so many things I can teach you. He claims it's his bankroll. Fuck. Do you think that, fill that wick, if it breaks resistance? That's kind of what I'm thinking of, Florent. That's kind of where my mind's at. I'm thinking if we get a break there, I'll be aiming for some sort of wick fill. You know, we have got 2 wicks there, but, oh, wick fill in the 1 hour, yeah. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm not tied to the idea, but that's essentially right now, as of what I'm doing here, that's the only thing I'm waiting for. If I get anything other than that, I'm not interested. I'm only looking for a breakout here, so I might as well just delete this line down here. Market is unpredictable for retail traders. Market is unpredictable for every trader. It's our job to build a slight edge in the market. That's all. There's no institution. There's no one in the world. Billions and billions and billions. The African Americans. There's no one in the world that goes, oh, I know what's going to happen. Did you guys see that hedge fund dude that blew $11 million of his investors' money? Talk about going on tilt. Like, we go on tilt and revenge trade and blow like a funded account worth 50 bucks. This bro went on tilt and blew 11 million.
I am so sorry that I was unable to manage the rogue wave that hit us this week. I wish I could name you all by person right now, all 290 clients of ours. You were my family, and I'm sorry that this rogue wave capsized our boat.
Firstly, you can feel the pain. I'm like, oh my God, this is hard to watch.
The coming days and the coming weeks, our office doors will be open, our phones will be answered, and any questions that you might have, my staff will do their best to answer questions you might have and somehow help. I want to thank you all for becoming part of our family. I wish you all the best, because every morning when I woke up and I checked the markets and my wonderful wife made us dinner, and I took my laptop and sat it next to me while I was sipping a glass of wine because I want to check on the markets and make sure that they were okay. I am so sorry for not managing our ship.
Bruh. We go on tilt and blow a fucking $50 funded account. Bro went on tilt and blew 150 million, billions and billions. Daniel, if I come to Australia, am I staying with you? Not only are you staying with me, but you are staying with me, yes. Yep. How could you do that to your... Wow. 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 Fuck me, you donkey. Wow. Gordon Ramsay. This is Gordon Ramsay's reaction after he blows an account. Wow. Fuck me. Fucking. Wow. Wow. That's all he does. Wait, so I'm staying with you, Daniel? Yes, 100%. Where else? I'm not going to put you in a fucking... the basement. Look at DJ. How about Germany, Stacey? We go to Oktoberfest. Yes. I'm new to trading. Literally started yesterday. Any tips? My tips would be don't start by actually trading. Start by learning. Take your time. I thought a hotel. No. I am a hotel. I'm the receptionist at my own hotel. I'm the butler of my own. You know. Do I see a story bridge behind you? Yes. Yep. Yep, you see the story bridge. I'll come in June. No, you won't. But okay. You guys, if Stacey actually comes to Australia in June, imagine we're just chilling here on stream and then Stacey pops up behind. That'll be groundbreaking. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a subscribe as well. I'm live every day over here on YouTube. Drop a like and a subscribe for the stream, my brothers and sisters. Live every day. Trading live every single day. Just doing the thing. Really about this life. And there's no talk, it's just do. You know, a lot of the time it is just goosing around waiting for a setup, but At the end of the day, we're here to trade. We're here to make money. And we're here every single fucking day. To this day. Alright? If you ever get that twisted, just remember exactly this. I want you to remember something. I want you to remember.
This day. To this day. To this day. This day. To this day. To this day.
Okay. How long am I staying? There's no time limit. Still laughing at DJ. DJ trying to fucking secure the bag. So good. I'm in Brisbane as well due to this. Oh, nice sleep. Yeah, awesome. Should join the Discord sleep. It's pinned there in the chat. It's good to get as many local traders in the Discord. Dan, I buy a candle if it goes with the green line. I'm hoping that a candle can break above that level, yeah. You know, this could be looked at as a type 2. I just don't like, and I'm being anal about it, but I just want to make sure I'm getting this textbook setups over here. I don't want, oh, it looks good on fucking Forex. You know, look at the difference on Forex. That candle kind of engulfed, but it's right at the resistance level there on Forex, where futures it's not so much. Stacy, after Dan, can you come to Germany in September and stay at my place too? Zero trades, it's not looking good. Ah, that's not a bad thing. If you don't catch a trade, don't look at that as a bad thing. That's a good thing. It shows discipline. Your ability to stick to your rules and just wait for an A+ setup. Yeah, I can't take this as a type 2. I'm gonna have to stick to waiting for a breakout. On Forex, that resistance is right there. It's obviously a very strong resistance point. And futures, it looks a little bit different. A whole month? Yeah, why not? If you end up being super crazy, then we can send you over to Germany with DJ. Why futures? I couldn't deal with the lack of, I was getting sick of spread with Forex. The spread was getting out of control. And Forex prop firms are very cheap. I'll cook for you? Yes. That would actually be amazing. Yeah, wow. Imagine having a girl around the house. Can finally get some washing done. I'm joking, I'm joking. Do you want my help? Yes, please. And get you unlimited massages. Wow! God damn it, this is enticing. Guys, I need this current candle, this exact candle, to flip and close above this level. If this current candle cannot break above this level, I'm done for the day. Get close. What help do you want? Well, you're the one that said, do you want help? And I just said yes. And what do you got on offer? What up, Bad Moss? What up, what up, what up? Brutal. Yeah. I told you, man, note. That pay rent, I'll give you massages too. Yeah. Oh my, Stacy. Oh my. All right, let me look at the calendar. When's June? Let me get mentally prepared. June's in 2 months. Guys, if June comes around and I jump on stream and I look like I've had like massages and shit, you know Stacey's been here. If I look like real loosey-goosey, you know what's up. Stacy, chill. If I start doing the gritty, you know what's up. Looks like Stacy's. Oh, look at DJ. I'll take care of you, Stacy. You can ride any ride on my DJ's spitting bars, hey. Dan, I just missed. Did I just miss Daniel do the gritty? Bro, it's stuck in my head from Fortnite, and me and my niece were doing it. This is what the charts do to you guys. Get off after 2 hours. Exactly, bro. It's the most accurate point of all time. It's literally what the charts do, man. If you sit there for too long waiting for a setup, you start doing the gritty and just all sorts of shit, man. Yeah, so we'll see if this candle can break out over here. Raja Banks, also a good trader. Don't make things complicated like ICT. Yes, that's correct. That's definitely, yep. That's a good statement. And if this breaks out, that will be a 30-minute breakout. This guy trades small movements. This guy trades small movements, but he's big. Big guy trades small movement. Daniel, don't let these boys talk to me. Nah, the boy, you know, I got competition over here. Some of these lads they got a lot to offer. There's some guys in the Discord that make 35k per trade. So the amount of traffic Stacy's getting on her channel right now would be insane. Hi Stacy, I'm talking to you right now. What are you gonna do about it? No, I need to wait for the. What I said before is this candle must break out, or I'm done, boys. I've been patient. I've waited, and unless. No, that would be a 30 closure. Yeah, no, I need that to break out. So would you accept my offer? Bro, what offer? Stacy's mom has got it going on. We all make money with this coach. Yeah, that's right. Stacy's going to be the new mentee. DJ the Riz Lord. So you got 7.5 minutes to break out, Mr. Candle, and if not, I'm coming for you. Chat, there's a pretty girl in the chat. How do I talk to her?
Just be yourself and be genuine. Okay. Start with a friendly greeting and maybe a simple question about something she's interested in.
Okay.
Keep it
hey Stacy, something she's interested in. Have you made any sandwiches lately? She'll never love me. She'll never like me. Nice one, bro. Thank you, bro. No, she'll never like me. I'll never be like those other guys.
You sound a bit down. What's going on?
Then I'll make you lamb chops. Ooh. Candle, you had one job. It was to push up. You had one job, my friend. Let's blow it up. Hurricane. Up. Push. Push. Look, there's a hurricane. Push up. You only trade London? Yeah, we do the Asia stream sometimes in the mentorship, but yeah, typically London. Hey, any of you guys interested in the mentorship? It's going to be launching in about 1 to 2 weeks. If you want to join the waitlist where you get benefits that the guys after the launch won't get, Daniel Holmes Trades, there's a link in my bio. Join the waitlist. And all you have to do if you click there, all it does is says put your name and your email. And then I know those guys, you guys get specific discount and shit that other people won't get. But don't put your name in there if you're like, oh, I like the idea. Like, if you're actually genuinely interested, I would highly suggest that. If you get a setup where you stay live, my only setup is a break above here and it's not looking good. So yeah. My only setup and it's not looking good. Do you have a signal group? No. Are you profitable? Yes. I'm profitable. I'm so profitable. It's crazy. So do we wait it for a sap? If not, go back to bed. Exactly right. Yep. Turn the computer off. Don't look at the chart. ChatGPT's down with service. Literally, bro. Did you trade this week? Yes. Bro was ignoring my question. Bro didn't see your question. Made 11,000 today? No, you didn't. If you choose me, I'll push up. Oh, we have to be up in 3 hours. Yeah, fair. Grub. Bro, you're in a TikTok chat. You're a loser with a fake account. Oh, he's joined the waitlist when he gets off the work. Nice, Perry, okay. Thought he already did, but he didn't. Okay, sick. Stacy changed my profile pic. Let me know when via airdrop. Oh, DJ's... Wow, DJ's really going in at it. DJ fucking... Wow, look at DJ. DJ's not a bad looking rooster. DJ's not a bad looking rooster over here. And he changed his profile pic so Stacy can see what he's all about. You're only 17, DJ. Damn. DJ's putting in work. Stacy's a bit older. DJ's really trying to fucking put in the work. My G. My man. Nice. Pulling an older bird. No, I'm 24, bro. Bro, you think it says 17. How do I join the waitlist? There's a link in my bio, or you just type my name on TikTok into Google. Daniel Holmes Trades. Bro is handsome. Pepsi, you have to come onto stream for the next 10,000 years and only ever say that. That's the point. Then you just turned 21, didn't you? Yes. I signed 2 weeks ago and still didn't receive an email. Alright, if anyone's joined the waitlist, make sure you check your spam box. Check your spam folder in your emails, because the email very likely went to there as well. But if it didn't, over the next 2 days, I'll be finishing. I had to do it in chunks, otherwise it gets spammed, flagged. I would go to jail if I dated DJ. Oh fuck, DJ's spewing that he fucking left 17 in his bio now. No, that was my only chance. Bumble Trading Edition, legit. Is Forex pushing up here? Wow, Forex nearly broke out. A minute left here. Fuck no. I'm gonna have to wait, man. I'm gonna have to wait for one more candle. One more beer. I'm gonna have to wait for one more beer. I'm literally gonna have to wait for one more candle. I want to see if this next candle can break up, because look at this on Forex. It's kind of rejecting now, I guess. I'll wait for one more candle. Last candle. Oh fuck! I can't have to go. I'm meant to be seeing my niece. I'm meant to be seeing my niece. Should we stay for one more candle? Should I make my niece, that's 9 years old, wait in the cold, in the snow? Nah, look, it's kind of pushing down now. Yeah, nah, it's over. It's over, chat. It's over, chat. We had a good week. We had a good week. Yes, yes. She can wait. Wow. Tell your niece you're making money. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's. Yeah, we're just consolidating. Oh, there goes my camera. Hey, you guys on TikTok, come over to the YouTube stream. I'm live on YouTube right now. I'm going to end the TikTok stream over here because it just froze. It's the same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades, live on YouTube right now. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, you guys. All right, YouTube, let's have a little look over here. Frozen. I love this part of the stream. Yeah, this weekend I'll try and get an external charger because it's really annoying when that happens. Dan, sense the grid. More candles coming, niece wins. Daniel saved me. Oh no, what's happening? Daniel identifies as non-binary. Is it worth getting your course if I don't trade the same strategy as you? No. No, yes, the answer is yes, but the idea is that you want to do the course because you're willing to adopt this new strategy. You can't come into the course and go, oh, I'll just pick a bit of his strategy and integrate it with mine. No, no, no. You need to come in and go, I'm willing to set the preconceived ideas I have of systems and strategies and learn a new one altogether. Okay? So that's what I would suggest. Haley, double top. I thought you said double tap. I was like, yeah, double tap the stream, chat. You guys, can I please get more likes and subscribe so I can feed my niece? Can you guys please drop a subscribe and a like so I can feed my niece? I really appreciate that. Live every day on stream, trading live. Dan, when you come to GC? Roland, they're all futures prop firms are like that, brother. Stacy regrets coming to YouTube. Yeah. All right, Stacy. Yeah, we'll do a stream together tomorrow, Stacy. What are you feeding her? I'm feeding her likes and subscribes. I'm feeding her likes and subscribes. Yes, I got 10 new likes. DJ, you really like this Oktoberfest idea. I think you like it more than she does. Ah, see, that's the sales thing. This, you know, dating and trying to match with girls is about sales. You have to match what you believe interests them, not you. So you're very stuck on this idea of Oktoberfest and just assuming that she would want to do that as well. You know what I mean? You got to think, well, what might she like? And then I could just be the cherry on top. But yeah, I love you guys. Make sure you guys jump in the Discord if you're not already. Join the Discord. There's a link there in the chat. And yeah, good week. Don't force anything, guys. I'm going to call it a day here. Market's kind of just consolidating over here. But appreciate you guys. Make sure you drop a subscribe. Live every day here on YouTube. And you guys, I'll chat to you guys in the Discord. Teach him Rizin. Alright, guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Alhamdulillah.